In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Home button on Google Chrome browser guide. To begin, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look toward the lower area of the window where you can access the Customize Chrome option. Click on Customize Chrome to open the browser customization settings. Inside these settings, look for the navigation section. Under Navigation, find the option labeled Home. When you see it, check or enable the Home option. As soon as you turn it on, the Home button should become visible in the Chrome toolbar. If you do not see the change right away, give Chrome a moment and check the toolbar carefully. In most cases, the Home button appears immediately after the setting is enabled. This feature is especially useful if you prefer a more traditional browser layout or if you want one-click access to an important page. If needed, you can always return to the same Customize Chrome section later and adjust the setting again. So once again, open Chrome, click Customize Chrome, go to the navigation section, and check the Home option. After that, the Home button will be enabled in your browser. That covers everything you need to know.